yep, hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel for the February Glossybox 2021. What a beautiful box. Can we take a moment of appreciation for Glossybox? Every other month they do something so freaking cute and cool for the boxes. My favorite is still that one up there, Enchanted, for October of last year. Stunning. So much so that it's up on my shelf. But wow, how freaking cute, like. Anyways, let us dive into the February Glossybox. I will say once again, for those who are new or don't know, I live in France, so this is the French one. Usually it's fairly similar to the UK. I don't know about the States, but just if you notice, there's some strange things in here. That's probably why. So Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat mixtape. I suppose that is the theme for this month. Again, I haven't seen so many sneak peeks this month. Don't know what's going on this year. Maybe they're trying to be more secretive. I don't know. We got our booklet, so let us. And they look at the paper. The attention to detail sometimes, that's so much more almost than the products. That sounds ridiculous, but it's so lovely. These little things just add, you feel so much more special, or I do in any case. All right. Ooh, something smells good. Sorry, I can't one-handedly untie the ribbon. I'm already seeing things and ripping the paper. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna organize it, but how cute also is the little paper inside the blue. Let me make it look nicer. All right, these are the contents for February. Let's just dive in. This one is at the top and first, and looking at me, this is okay. This is a Rose Gua Sha. So if you don't know, Gua Sha is that, I believe it's Chinese. Oh, I need to double check my history. But it's this. It's a massage tool for your face. It can hurt a little bit, it shouldn't. This one is actually plastic. I already have one of these. I have it and it's a stone one, and I believe they're supposed to be stone. But basically you massage your face with an oil, and the purpose is to kind of get the lymph nodes to empty their fluid, so you're dragging it away from the face, and over time you're supposed to see really great results. I have yet to do it. Humba, what are you doing? He's like upside down like this. I have yet to do it consistently to comment on results, but I've heard really great things. Obviously I've touched this one, but I'll disinfect it. But this will be a gift for me for someone, just because I already have one and I don't need a second one, cute as it may be, but that's nice. Just a little bit bummed that I already have one, but again, they can't know that. But that's really lovely and cute and light, and why not? This is by Glow on Fifth Beauty, and full size and worth 11 euros. That plastic one, 11 euro? That's a bit cray. I've got my proper like stone one, and I don't know if it was more than that. Little expensive. Let's go into this one next. I'll take this because it was this sneak peek, the only one that I saw. This is the Fix and Rouge Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime. Wow, that's a long title. Love the packaging. It's very like soft matte, but ultimately it's a blurring primer. Can definitely use another primer right now. How does it come out? Does it smell? I'm smelling, I had sprayed earlier perfume on my hand, and that's all I smell. Oh, it smells really nice and sweet. Blurring, I guess. I don't really see it right now on my hand. Usually I can tell right away. Hang on. Yeah, I can see it now that it's settling in. It definitely comes off a bit more creamy, and then penetrates the skin to become the soft blur. So that's really cool, super nice, very excited for that. This guy is full size. What? Excuse me? 41 euro 80. I need a moment. What? What freaking brand is this? 40. Who the frick do you think you are? Oh my god, I'm shook. That's really freaking expensive. Ouch. Oh my god. I don't think I've been this stunned since I found out the real cost of an Avant product the first time I got it. Okay. Right, next. Let's move on to the next one. Yikes. I'll take out this guy. Here we have the Kueshi, I don't know how to pronounce it. Kueshi Naturals Vanilla Body Milk. I remember this brand because this is the micellar water I got in my notorious Cyber Monday mystery box. That was a bit of a scandal. I'll link that down below if you want to have a laugh. But yeah, this is a vanilla, extra nutritious body milk with sweet almond oil, olive oil, and fruit extracts. It smells nice, but I don't care about body milks or body lotions or things like that. I will say, we don't get them very, very often in Glossybox, which I'm grateful for. Nonetheless, I just don't care. This is a travel size and worth €6. That's pricey for what it is. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I feel like, you know, once you buy a lotion, personally, I have it for like a year, 2 years, and I still have my last big one, so maybe I'll use it, maybe I'll gift it. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Next, I'll take this. This is by Naobay, and it is a protective hair mask. So I got the Naobay toner in the Glossybox advent calendar, which I really quite like. But yeah, protective hair mask, volume conditioner. That's cool. Hair masks are always good once in a while. Very good for your hair, obviously, duh. And I really like to take a good long bath, so I'll definitely be, oh, that's what smelled really good in the box. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, definitely still. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very liquidy. Oh, heaven, what is it? It smells like something from Lush, and it's driving me crazy that I can't think of the name, but it smells heavenly. I'm very excited about that. This is obviously not a full size. It is a travel size. Ooh, $12.99. Goodness, goodness. Pricey products this month. And last but hopefully not least, and I'm curious to see what on earth this is. Oh, it's a blush. Downtown Paris, created in the 12th arrondissement. It is a blush. What color are we? And this is full size and worth €18. Whoa. Some sort of a pink. Oh, oh. Is that like a brick? Oh, I kind of like those shades. Oh, I kind of like those shades. Yes. Awesome. Is that the only? Oh no, we got the €41 primer. I was gonna say that's the only makeup product we got. Oh, I love these kinds of shades. I'm putting it over the primer. I probably shouldn't have. Oh, that's lovely. Now's probably not the time, is it? I already have blush on, so I don't know why I'm putting it on over. Doesn't really smell, but that's awesome. Really curious about that. Never heard of this brand. Has botanic stuff in it. Yeah, awesome. I'm actually quite excited about that. Cool. Let's go into my final thoughts. Alrighty, Rue, what are we thinking for February Glossybox? I don't know, like, it's not terrible, and obviously everybody knows who watches my video, I adore Glossybox. Every month can't be fantastical, but this month it was really good. It's not my favorite. What the F for the price of the primer? It better give me a freaking facelift for that cost. Really just don't care about body milk, sorry. Hair mask, cool, I'll use it. I already got one, so don't need it. And blush, that's probably the thing I'd say I'm most excited about. I mean, no, I'm very excited to try a €41 primer, but like, oh, just yikes, yikes. Yeah, it's kind of like with the Birchbox this month. It's nice. I think the box itself made me a bit more excited for what was inside than the actual contents. But they're great. I'm gonna, except for the body milk probably. Well, and the Gua Sha. I'm gonna use them all. I'm really curious to see how the Figs and Rouge primer goes. I don't think I've ever owned a super expensive primer, so I'm just very curious. Good, nice. I thought maybe it'd be a bit more Valentine's-y. However, everything does have a lovely kind of white pinkish theme. I'm so excited about that blush, actually. It's quite a lot in there. I really like cream blushes. Yeah. My voice is just going higher. I don't know what else to say. I like it. I like it. It's not my favorite, certainly not the worst. Yeah, cool. That's it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. What did you get in your box? I'm really curious, and just your thoughts in general too. If you haven't already, definitely give this video a like, and do not forget to subscribe. to my channel because I'd like to have you on this journey with me. Yes. As always, I'm going to leave the full value of this box in 3 currencies here for you to see and decide whether or not it's worth it. I've mentioned this before. My favorite subscription box is Glossybox. So if I had to recommend one to you, it is still currently Glossybox. Value for money, packaging, quickness of delivery. I will say this, when I first subscribed, I was a little bit late on getting the box. But I don't know if I've moved up in the system or I don't know how it works, but now I'm usually getting them the first week of the month, with the exception of January, but that was across the board for everybody. So if I could recommend to you one single subscription makeup box, it would be Glossybox. Keep in mind, I don't have access to a lot of them because I'm not living in the States. I'm sure there's some really great ones like BoxyCharm. I would love to get BoxyCharm. Come over to Europe, BoxyCharm. Anyways, but that is that. Other than that, you can catch me on my social media at Slavic Chic. Pretty much just Instagram at the moment. That's all I can handle. It's so much work to edit all these videos. But I have lots of fun and exciting videos coming up, and several every week. So come on and join this family and watch them and like them and comment and subscribe. I'd really, really love to have you guys here. And thank you to everybody who's still here. Been here before. All right, you guys, I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.